Okay, well, the next thing that I'm going to talk now is going to be about reading. And one specific thing that we have done at the last, that was the final project of reading, that is the reading strategies. And well, I'm going to present it. I have here all like all prepared. And yes, well, first, when we have first learned the reading strategies, I was like, what? Like I haven't I know that that's like the basic thing that we have to like have seen in the primary or elementary school, but I don't like really understand that topics, or I don't really like remember. But when I have seen this here in the university, it was pretty more easier than when I was in the primary. Well, I'm going to like barely make a just short explanation about this. Well, reading strategies. First, I was summarizing and identifying main ideas and details. When we see this topic, the teacher put us a little video about a woman that it says here like how do we practice. The teacher put us a video about how to summarize, and remember that it was a lady that put us a paragraph and show how to identify the main ideas and details and put that in our summarize. It was like we have a paragraph and we have tried to identify the main ideas of that paragraph, and what we can say about that we have to put it like a summarize. That's how I learned this, and it was pretty easy. The next things are skimming and scamming, that the difference between those. Skimming is to obtain the gist, the overall sense of a piece of writing. And this kind like it's like to decide if the text is going to be interesting or no. And like to put more attention on the details and that. And scanning is to obtain most like a specific information. For example, if you know that you have a text and the teacher says to you, what does it mean this? For example, what does it mean weather? You just have to scan for the word weather, and then you can see if that word is continued like with a definition or an example about what is it, and then you can answer the question. That's like how I take that definition. Like that's how I think it means. The next thing is visualizing. This is one of the most easiest because what the teacher put us is first identify words that we don't understand, and then investigate the meaning and do a little draw of each word with a little definition beside, well, yeah, at the side of that. I don't like it a lot because I don't know how to draw, but I like it because it helped me know what does it mean, not just with the definition. So we also use draws. It's more easier to, well, learn a word, I think. The other thing that we have seen is using prior knowledge. For example, one day the teacher put us the topic about COVID, and well, what we have done there is first do a little paragraph, little text about what do we know about that that topic about coronavirus, and then she put us a little text and we have to read it, and then at the final we have to put if we have learned a new thing or we haven't. And well, this is a little bit interesting because I know a lot of topics, but like the coronavirus has been like the most topic of the world, I think. But yeah, the next thing is predicting. And like I say here, I don't remember how we use this. And the last thing I have here, write a little reflection. And that's what I say at first, that I think that this is the first time that I have seen this and understand all these reading strategies in my entire school life. And well, this is all for reading. This is one of the most easiest things that I have seen, and not just that, one of the most useful topics that I'm going to use on the entire university. And the rest that I have to course and that.